March is the perfect spring reset for your childcare marketing. While parents are planning spring activities, and even next fall, a lot of centers are still quiet about their openings. In this episode, I'm going to show you a few simple marketing moves you can make in March to boost spring, summer, and fall enrollment without needing a giant budget or a full-time marketing team. Welcome to another episode. My name is Rizakos, and if you're here, it is because you're running a home daycare or a childcare business of some type and you need help, ideas, strategies when it comes to your marketing. If you're in the right place, I strongly encourage you to check out the links in the show notes to see how we can work together to help you boost your online reach and fully book your business. So, parents use this time of year to plan ahead. They're thinking about spring break, summer camps, and what they're going to do for preschool or daycare in the fall. If you wait until May or August to talk about your openings, you're already behind. March gives you a chance to remind current families to re-enroll, reach new families who are just starting to look, and position your center or home daycare as organized and ready for next season. So you don't need a huge campaign to do this. You just need to start talking about spring and fall spots earlier than everyone else. Next, let's talk about easy spring-themed content that actually helps enrollment. Here's your first idea. A spring open house or a spring play morning. You can invite families to come see your space, meet the teachers, and let their kids explore a few simple activities. Think planting, seeds, bubbles, or spring craft. This doesn't have to be fancy. The goal is to get families in the door. Idea number 2, show more outdoor play and seasonal activities in your posts. Parents love seeing kids outside after a long winter. Share short clips or outdoor play, nature walks, or spring art, and add one clear line about ages, location, and how to ask about openings. And idea number 3, early bird registration messages. So you can easily say something like, we're now enrolling for summer and fall. Secure your spot early and skip the last minute scramble. This way, you're helping parents plan ahead and helping yourself stabilize enrollment. So it's a win-win. Now, let's add one simple paid piece to reach more local families. You don't have to become a full-time ads manager to do this. So pick one best performing photo or short video that shows your space and smiling children with permission, of course. Then create a boosted post or a simple ad targeted to local parents within a few miles of your location. The message can be as simple as, now enrolling for spring and fall city in, and then you would add the name of your city, small groups, warm teachers, and lots of outdoor play. Tap to message us and ask about openings. Your goal is not to become viral. Your goal is to get more local parents to see that you exist and that you're taking enrollment now. Even a small focused budget can lead to few extra tours, especially when other providers are still quiet. So let's tie this all together with a light system, okay? So week number 1, I want you to announce spring, fall enrollment and tease your open house dates. Remember, this is for your March plan, okay? Week number 2, post outdoor or spring activity content and reminder about your openings. Week number 3, host your open house or spring event and share some photos. And week number 4, run or refresh your boosted post or a simple ad to keep interest growing. That's enough to give you a real spring push without trying to do 20 different things at once. If you want help to do this, if you don't have the time to start or you just have no idea where to start, inside my Skool community, we can actually help you with all sorts of things. I actually teach you how to leverage ads on Facebook and Instagram. We create done for you pieces of content that we text out every single morning. So all you have to do is copy and paste. If you wanted to check it out to see what that's all about, all the links are in the show notes. If you're listening to me and you have a budget to hire a team to do this for you, I'd love to connect as well. I take on a couple of clients every single month to help them with the social media content as well as their paid strategies. I'd love to speak with you to see if you're a good fit for our agency. All the links are in the show notes. Other than that, have an amazing rest to your day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.